Yesterday, we experienced a crazy drop very fast. A lot of people got liquidated, and there's something that usually those drops don't bother me at all, but there's one thing in particular that did bother me that I need to bring up to everyone so that you are very aware of this. But first, I'm going to go over a couple really interesting things that are happening right now. So as you know, if you've been following me at Sir Crypto Tips on Twitter, you will know that I keep saying that when the App Store's #1 app is Coinbase, it is time to sell. That is the time to sell. Why is that? Because we are going to be selling to retail or money that isn't exactly the smartest money. You know what I mean? I'm trying to be diplomatic here. So people that just kind of chase higher prices, those are the type of people that we are going to be selling to. So it's not like I'm targeting anybody. It's just I'm going to be selling most likely to these people. So right now, I do follow the Coinbase app. Right now, we have, out of all apps, the Coinbase app is 69. Now, out of financial apps, it's number 7. So it's slowly making its way down the ranks, which is really, it kind of sucks because I really wish Coinbase app was not very popular right now, especially in the mid 60s right now, but whatever, it is what it is. I'm going to keep you posted on this. So we had a funding reset. We had a bunch of new people liquidated. We had the biggest open interest wipe in years, and alts were pretty much down 35% in one giant wick. So that was pretty fun. And keep in mind, we've experienced several of these. I mean, back in 2017, 2018, we had these crazy drops, these crazy Bitcoin crashes. I think so. On the way from $1,000 to $20,000, we had 30+% drops. And then right before we hit the parabolic top, we had a 29% drop. This wasn't even close to any of that. And people are freaking out. That's one of the things that concerns me. So I'm going to bring this up. Guys, you need to relax. When this is crypto has such a small market cap compared to the rest of the world. Like whether you're talking about gold, whether you're talking about bonds, stocks, whatever, crypto doesn't have a huge market cap. So when you have a bunch of, traders that are leveraged to the teeth, and, people can move, giant whales can move the market at a whim, and they can absolutely liquidate people. So say, for instance, somebody did a super giant long right at $69,000, and it proceeded to go, down to 60, and they had like a 5x, 10x long. They're going to get destroyed. So, this is one thing that you guys got to just relax and realize this is going to happen all the way till the blow off top. And then you're going to see a giant smash down. Like you're going to want to take profits. And if you do want to know when we are going to take profits, if you want, consider joining the CT Club at learningcrypto.com. The link is down below. We are absolutely killing it, by the way, especially with our AI coins. My goodness. So check this out. We had the AI Tech Conference, NVIDIA GTC 2024 on March 18th through 21st. Now, there's a reason why it's getting more and more popular, because it's literally taking over so many industries, and it's going to take over the crypto industry, in my opinion, at least a lot of it. And that is why I think the AI narrative is going to be the biggest one. Now, is some really bullish news on Bitcoin. So you may be scared. You may be thinking, okay, we might go back to the 50s again. Well, wait up a second. This is from Vijay Boyapati. BlackRock's ETF just swallowed 13,000 Bitcoin in one day yesterday. Can you believe did you get that? They ate up 13,000 Bitcoin. And its demand keeps growing, right? Because more and more people want the product, the spot Bitcoin ETF product. It's not real Bitcoin, but whatever. People are really freaking lazy and they don't want to buy actual Bitcoin, so they go through BlackRock. Okay, but thankfully mining can keep up with this demand. Producing, not really, because there's 900 Bitcoin a day that are being mined, and that is soon going to go to 450 Bitcoin a day after the halving in just a few weeks, guys. This is crazy. This is what you call a supply crunch that I don't think we've seen in a very long time. Now, speaking about a supply crunch, we also are going to get these downdrafts. I just want to mention that we had a $2 billion liquidation event yesterday. $2 billion. That's a lot of people that lost a lot of money, and there's a few that gained a crap ton of money. But they probably gave a lot of that up when we spiked from the 50,000s to the mid 60s. That was a lot of fun. I actually really enjoyed it. But you know what? There's no worries whatsoever, because now we also have VanEck. Europe CEO says 50% of future AUM will come from crypto products. This is pretty wild to see mainstream really adopting Bitcoin and crypto. It's gonna be weird because there's gonna be there's gonna be two sides of this. There's gonna be the decentralized part, and there's gonna be the complete centralized part. So there's gonna be a giant fork in the road. Yes, the prices are gonna go up massively. In my opinion, they're gonna go up crazy, especially this year. I don't think we are going to continue after this year for a bull market. That's just my opinion. I think we top around 130 maybe, and if we get lucky 200,000, hey, that would be great. But I don't think much more. I think we're going to experience a pretty crazy bear market after this. Anyways, that is just my opinion. Hold me to it. Just as I told people to hold me to us reaching all-time highs before the halving. I said that several times. Got a lot of crap, but hey, worked out, right? Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.